Good morning. This is our last day here on Åland before we make our way back to Sweden again. And we're already off to a great start. We got blue skies and the wind isn't so bad today either. So we're making our way back towards Mariehamn, where we'll eventually end up on a campground in the afternoon. Just made a stop at the lemonade factory here in Åland and enjoyed some nice blueberry lemonade. A good way to start the day. One of the best things about cycling on Åland is that almost everywhere when you're cycling along one of these bigger roads, you have a bike path that follows along it, so you feel pretty safe when you're cycling on these bigger roads. Looks like Malin is in race mode. She's overtaken these two road cyclists up ahead here. Entering Mariehamn. Looking for the campground now. Should be along this trail here somewhere.
Jag räcker lite fel jag då.
I think we just found a campground here. We're going to cycle back into Mariehamn and take a look at the town. And this is a classic. Even here in Åland, the bike lane works as a parking space for handymen. Before I go, I just need to rant about something. A sign I found up in the kitchen. Here we paid 30 euros for basically sleeping on the ground, and then they put up this sign. It says you are not allowed to charge your phones or electronics in the kitchen area. It's totally insane. Well, anyway, thanks for watching today's video, and until next time, have a good one.